Euro US dollar technical analysis September 27th, fxempire.com. The euro dollar had a wild back and forth session on Monday as traders continue to weigh all things coming out of Europe. As you can see, though, the end of the session did produce a hammer right at the 135 level, and it does look like this level is becoming more and more supportive. In the latter hours of the U.S. session, an announcement was made that the Europeans are actually starting to come up with a bit of a bailout type fund that is structured to insulate the European Central Bank from taking on losses. This would be recapitalization of the European banks, and that is one of the biggest concerns coming out of the EU at the moment. Because of this, the euro got a bit of a gain towards the end of the session, and it does look like a pop is coming. However, with a lack of clarity out of the EU, we think that gains will be somewhat stymied and slowed in their movement just because nobody really knows what the full on effects are. A break of the Monday's highs would perhaps get us in the trade for long, but we'd be fairly quick to move our stops up as any bad news can send this pair straight back down. A breaking of the bottom of the Monday session, however, would be extremely bearish and we would become aggressive sellers of the euro at that point.